Hi, this is my latest project for the Graphics Fairy, and it is a diptych, or a two-sided frame, made from a child's board book and images from the Graphics Fairy. Now, it is actually just a child's board book that I've altered by cleaning up the pages, carving arches, and adding these images from the Graphics Fairy premium member site. I've used some beautiful bells here, and then also a variety of butterfly wings. And then I've layered those over some static images from the many of the script or ephemera sites. And you know, I'm a big fan of those because they really give you some layer and interest, but also lets the focal point pop. So please check in soon to the premium member site, and there's going to be a how-to video showing you step by step how to alter a child's board book yourself and make a beautiful diptych frame out of it. In the meantime, get up and go make something. Bye.